Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to blur your background in Zoom meeting. So let's begin our video. So if you want to blur your background, just open Zoom and then go any meeting. I just show you example how to make your background blur. So just open my meeting and there you can see my hand is showing here and background is not blur. And if you want to make this background blur, just go this icon beside video icon. You can see this icon, a small icon, just click it, and now you can see blur my background. There you can see option blur my background, just select it. That's it. Now you can see your background is blur. There you can see. So in this way you can blur your background in Zoom meeting very easily. Thank you everyone for watching this video.